I'm Alex, and what we're going to be doing today is blending in the sideburns from a skin fade, blending it back into the beard today, guys. First of all, I'm going to create a zero placement line on my beard, and I'm going to do it fairly low and then blend back, so that's going to stretch out the fade of the beard for our gentleman. So this is my zero. I've got a line from my foil here, so I'm going to work my detailers before I fade back down into the beard. So this is just to get rid of the foiled line that I've created from the haircut. Cool. I'm now going to start my number 2 guards and start a little bit lower, about halfway on the cheek, and start blending back up into that sideburn. So I'm working my 2 fairly low to stretch out this fade on the beard, and that will give it a heavier look in the middle and tighter along the cheeks. One thing to watch out for when I'm doing this blend is I don't want to engage the teeth of my clipper too much and create a step or a line in this. So I'm keeping my clipper quite flat and almost gliding over the beard so that I don't create a line. And I'm just working back up through my numbers. So I've done my 2, now my 1.5 fake guard, and just gradually working my way down through the clipper guards. I've now on my 1 guard open, so 1.5 true, and each guard I'm coming slightly higher than I did with the previous. So with my number 2, I started off about halfway on the cheek and gradually getting closer and closer to that zeroed out line that I created at the beginning. Now I'm going to go on to our 0.5 fake guard open, our filler guard. And now, like I said, just coming slightly higher with each guard. Open now halfway and closed. And now I'm going to go to no guard open, our 0.5 true, and just knock out the last little bit of that line that I created at the beginning. Halfway 0.25, and that should pretty much finish off blending that zero line that I created.